In today's topic, we are going to cover this binary coded decimal, that is BCD codes. BCD code, as the name itself indicates, it's a binary code which is in the form of zeros and ones and which is valid up to the decimal point, that is 0 to 9. So we have this 8421 representation. As we know that for conversion of decimal to binary, then we are using this 8421, means whatever the number we require. Suppose we need to write 9, then 8 plus 1 is 9, remaining all are 0. In this way we are constructing into the binary form. This is the 8421 code. We are going to study binary coded decimal. Binary code which is in the form of zeros and ones, decimal that is nothing but which is valid from 0 to 9. For representation of 10 in the BCD, we have separate 4-bit representation for 1 and separate 4-bit representation for 0. That is for 1 these are 0001 and for 0 that is 0000. Similarly, if we need to represent 56 in BCD codes, then separate representation for 5 and separate representation for 6. So for 5 it is 0101 and 6 0110. This is how the BCD codes are. Now we can perform the addition with the help of BCD code. BCD addition. Okay. For performing the BCD addition, we will consider two numbers. Suppose we need to add 15 plus 25. Okay, these two numbers are there. We know that 0 to 9 BCD is valid for representation of 10, separate 4-bit representation for 1 and 0. Here we need to add two numbers, that is 15 and 25. So we have to first represent in its binary form. For 1 the representation is 0001 and for 5 it is 0101. Similarly, the representation for 25 is 2 and 5. 2 is 0010 and 5 is 0101. This is the representation for 15 and 25 in BCD. Now we have to perform the addition. For performing the addition, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, that is 1010. But we know that 1010 is the decimal equivalent of 10, decimal equivalent of 10, which is not a valid BCD, because BCD is valid up to 9. If the 10 is there, then there must be a separate representation. In the binary addition, when the addition is more than 9, when the addition of two numbers is more than 9, then we have to add 6 in that number. We will see how, why only the 6 is added, we will see that. So when the BCD is invalid, we need to add 6 here. Add 6 in this number, you will get 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 0, carry is generated, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated. This is 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated. This carry should be forwarded into the next stage. Okay, whatever the carry we are getting in this stage, we need to forward into the next stage. Then perform the addition. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated. So this is the carry, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated. This is 1 and this is 0. So this is the representation of 4 and this is the representation for 0. So 15 plus 25 is 40, 4 and 0. Okay. Similarly, you can take any of the example. Suppose we need to perform 19 plus 19 in BCD. Okay, that must be equals to 38. So give the representation 0001. For 9 it is 1001. Similarly 0001 and for 9 it is 1001. Now perform the addition. This is 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated, 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated. Forward the carry into the next stage. Then this number becomes invalid. We know that 10110, that is 16 plus 2 18, 18 is not a valid BCD. So the MSB carry is forwarded into the next stage, and whatever the invalid number we are getting, add 6 in that number, that is 0110. Perform the addition. This is 0, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated, 1 plus 1, 0 carry is generated, and this is 1. So this is 8, and perform the addition of this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry is generated, 1, 0, 0. So this is 3. So 19 plus 19 is 38. Is it clear how to perform the BCD addition? Now BCD addition, why we are adding 6 only? This is my question. Why to add 6 only? Why not 7? Why not 8? The logic behind it is BCD is a 4-bit number. What is the range of maximum? What is the range of 4-bit number? That is 2 raised to 4, starting from 0 to 15. Okay, 2 raised to 4. 4-bit number is having maximum possibility of 2 raised to 4. That is 15 possible combinations are there in 4-bit number. And what is the maximum range of BCD? Is 0 to 9. So maximum number of BCD is 9, whereas the maximum possibility of 4-bit number is 15. So 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9, that is 6. The difference is 6. That's why we need to add 6 only. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you for watching this video.